Okay, in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the software that we've downloaded. Alright, so we're going to click on GSP, then we're going to click on it, and I am going to close out everything else so that all I have open is Geometry Sketchpad. Okay, now I'm going to do some basic drawing. So I'm going to make this large just so you can see all of it. And the first thing I'm going to do is create a line segment. Okay, so I'm going to click points and I'm going to draw my point and then show label. So that gives me a point A. Then I'm going to click another point and display show label. Now I'm going to draw a segment. So I go to construct a segment. Oh, can't construct a segment until I click on my points. One. Okay, I go back to the arrow now and I click this one and this one. See, I had to choose them. That's what the arrow is. This one's a little bit different than the other version that I typically use. Now we'll click Construct Segment, and it draws the line segment AB. Alright, now I'm going to select that point, and I'm going to construct a circle because I want to do an arc from this. So I'm going to come over halfway and watch when this point here, that's when they connect, so I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go back and select this point here. Okay, and then I'm going to do another circle from this point. Whoops, would have to be File. Let's see, let's click on this. So you can see, I'm going to delete it, okay, and click on that point and delete it. So it's real easy to get rid of anything you do. You just click the arrow tool and then go click on it and hit the delete key on your keyboard. Okay, now I'm going to do the point. I'm going to go select point B, okay. Now I'm going to go back here and draw another circle from point B. Now notice, all it has to do is overlap, okay? And I'm going to click connect there, okay? Now, here's what I want to do. I want to select points, okay, and then I want to construct a segment. Oh, now I had to let go of my, I forgot to click off my circle. Now I click my points. Okay, and then I'm going to construct a segment. Okay, now once I do that, then I'm going to click off my points again. Okay, and click on the point where it crossed here. And then I am going to display label C. Now watch what happens. Now I'm going to remove that and then I'm going to click this circle and hold the control key down, and then I'm going to click hide. Display, hide objects. Now, I also need to hide my points here. Okay. And I display. There we go. Those were the intersections of the two circles. Now, I could also hide my other points here if I wanted to, so that the only thing that I have here, okay, I could do display, hide points. So the only thing that I have then is a line segment with the midpoint, which doesn't quite look like a midpoint, but it is. Okay? And when I move it around, the point doesn't move because it's been constructed. That's what I mean about moving it and causing no change. Okay,